Welcome to schoolmath.guru. In this video number system part 2, we are going to cover how to find rational numbers between two given rational numbers. So find rational numbers between two any rational numbers. There are infinitely many rational numbers in between two rational numbers. Suppose if you take on number line 1, 2, 3 or -1, -2, 0, 1, all these are rational numbers. Out of all, I'm taking 1 and 2. So in between 1 and 2 find 5 rational numbers. Find 5 rational numbers in between 1 and 2. Not only 5, we can find any number of rational numbers, because in between any two rational numbers there are infinitely many rational numbers. So here there are two methods. Here we'll see both. First I am telling method 1. 1 and 2 are rational numbers, so I can write in the form of p by q. That is 1 by 1 and 2 by 1. We need to find 5 rational numbers. So add 1 to that, 6. So with this 6, both rational numbers multiply in numerator and denominator. So 2 into 6 by 1 into 6. 6 by 6 this is, and 12 by 6. Now in between 6 by 6 and 12 by 6, 7 by 6 will be there, 8 by 6, 9 by 6, 10 by 6, 11 by 6. Exactly 5 rational numbers we got. Not only 6, if you want more number of rational numbers, whatever we are multiplying here, instead of 6, we need to take a bigger number. Method 2. In method 2, again I am taking 1 and 2. Suppose a and b are two rational numbers, then a plus b by 2 will always lie in between a and b. That means here will lie in between a and b. That means here take a as 1 and b as 2. So 1 plus 2 by 2, it's nothing but 3 by 2. 3 by 2 will lie in between 1 and 2. If you observe on number line, in between 1 and 2, exactly 3 by 2 will lie. It's nothing but 1.5. 1.5 will lie in between 1 and 2. Again, if you want to find more number of rational numbers in between 1 and 2, now take a as 1, b as 3 by 2. Then 1 plus 3 by 2 by 2. It's LCM we should take. So 2 plus 3 by 4, that 2 will come under denominator. 5 by 4. This 5 by 4 will lie in between 1 and 3 by 2. That means it will lie in between 1 and 2 also. Next, again if you want more number, now you take a as 3 by 2 and b as 2. Now 3 by 2 plus 2 by 2. That means again LCM 3 plus 4 by 4. So 7 by 4 will lie in between 3 by 2 and 2. 3 by 2 and 2. So like this we can find any number of rational numbers. If you observe on number line 1, 2, in between 1 and 2 exactly 3 by 2, again in between exactly 5 by 4, again in between 3 by 2 and 2 exactly 7 by 4. Like this in between, like we can find any number of rational numbers by using a plus b by 2 formula. Another example we'll see. If 1 by 5 and 2 by 7 are there, in between 1 by 5 and 2 by 7, if we want to find rational numbers, now here denominators are not same. So we need to convert first denominators into same, then we can find rational numbers. For that, through LCM for 5 and 7 is 35. So 1 by 5 we should convert the denominator as 35, means we should multiply by 7 both numerator and denominator. So same way 2 by 7, if we want to convert, we should multiply by 5 both numerator and denominator. This is 7 by 35 and 10 by 35. In between 7 by 35 and 10 by 35, 8 by 35 and 9 by 35 are there. But if you want to find out more number of rational numbers, take a number and multiply both rational numbers. Suppose if we multiply by 2, 10 into 2 by 35 into 2. So this is 14 by 70 and 20 by 70. So in between 14 by 70 and 20 by 70, there are 15 by 70, 16 by 70, 17 by 70, 18 by 70 and 19 by 70. So how many 5 rational numbers are there? Still more, if you want to find out, instead of 2, take a bigger number. You will get more number of rational numbers. I hope everyone understood. Thank you. In description box I gave a small mock test. Please attempt. If you like my teaching, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.